Wait, did you just see that? An AI image actually talking.
Come on, pictures don't talk, do they?
Oh, they do. And the wild part? You don't even need expensive software. It's free, and anyone can do it. And it only takes a few clicks. No coding, no stress, just pure magic.
If you want your AI art to come alive, stick around. Jeddy will show you how in just minutes. Over to you, Jeddy.
Plenty cool, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make an AI image come live. Moving its lips, talking in your own voice, and even laughing using free tools. Whether you want to create avatars for YouTube, TikTok, or just for fun, by the end of this video, you will be able to do it for free in just few clicks. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do, we need to create our image, and to do that, you're going to use Pixar AI to create our image. So if you don't have an account, to create one. If you have, you just log in and click on create and then describe your image. That is where you need to put in your prompt. Mine I have already copied on my clipboard, so I'm going to click on paste. After clicking on paste, you need to set the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose 16:9 because it's a YouTube video, and then choose 2 images to be created at once. Click on generate or click on the arrow there, and then give it some second to generate the image for you. I said, and I will say it again, Pixar AI is free and it gives you 10 credits per day to generate images for free. And after that, you can subscribe or use any image generator of your choice. Like there are others, there is Microsoft Designer and others, a lot of them are there. You can see my images have been created. That is the first image and that's the second image. Just look at them and choose the image that fits you. It's all according to you. As for me, I choose the second image. I prefer the second image, and now just click on that and click on the 3 dots and click on download and download the second image and save it on my device. Now the next step is to generate our second image. For this video, I'm going to generate around 4 images. If for you, you can go with 1, 2, or 3. It all matters with what you want. If you want to create longer videos, you can create even the 10 of them. It all matters with what you want. You just paste the prompt and click on generate. The other settings remain the same because you had created the first one. So you just give it some second. If you're watching this video so far, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. Okay, give this video a like. Okay, you can see the images have been created. Click on them and you can see the first image look good and the second image is also fine, but I don't like the background image of the second, so I'm going with the first image. I click on the first image and click on the 3 dots and click on download and save the image on my device. Okay, now repeat this for the second one, for the third one, for our third image, and just click on generate. Click on describe your image, so you paste the everything there and then click on generate, the arrow of generating there, and you can see the more image you create, the slower it becomes, but within some time to still generate or create the image for you. Now click on the images. You can see that's our first image and that's our second image, as you can see, but I like the first image because of the face expression. The second image look more exaggerating and the first image is just fine, so just download that. And let's create our fourth image and just paste the prompt there and click on generate and give it some seconds. As usual, this is what you should do, and you should create to create 2 images has a lot of disadvantages because you have the alternative to choose between one of them, but it also use your credits more. So it all depends on you and how many images you want to generate. If there are few, you can just choose to stick on 2 and then choose one of them. If it's 1, you just have 1 image option. So let's head over to the next step and I will show you how to animate them. To animate these images, we are going to use Digen AI. So you are supposed to head over to Play Store and find this app called Digen AI. After that, you need to download the app and click on open. After clicking on open, you can see create an account, and you can see I have 3,000 plus points or credits. So you need to know that when you create an account, you are given 300 credits per day. Now a new account, after that you are going to be given 70 credits per day. Click on create. After clicking on create, you need to choose the aspect ratio. You can see the aspect ratio there up, and then after that you need to choose the aspect ratio you want. For me, I want a YouTube video, so I'm going to click by 16:9 because I want a long form video, and I click on crop. Clicking on crop, you need to give it some second to crop the image for you to be 16:9 aspect ratio. After that, you need to import your image, and to import your image, you need to click on the image icon, choose the image you want to import or to animate. After that, you need to wait for it to load up to 100%. After that, you need to now add some other features. You can see after some seconds, our image just displayed on the screen, and that is what you want. This is the image you want to animate. Rest. Click on prompt. Prompt is what you need this avatar or this image to do. As for me, I'm going just to click something I have pasted somewhere and copied on my clipboard, but it's all about you. It's all concerning you. You can write it manually or you can just paste it here on the Gen AI app. Okay, click on the tick icon, and then after that, now you need to add our audio. You can just choose the audio, click on Aurora, and you can see all different audios available here, and there are a lot of available audios. You just look on the photo and know whether it's a female or a male voice. Now you need to choose the audio that matches your avatar. If your avatar is a female, you also choose a female audio. That is what it is supposed. And you also need to choose the audio that is quite good for you and according to what the avatar is saying, according to expressions and all that. There is a lot of things you need to look, but it's all about how you define and how you tick that. Okay, so I will listen to all the male voices here. After listening to them, I will come up with a conclusion which audio I want to use and all that. Some audio or some voices for the male sound better than others according to what. So I'm going to choose this audio where it says it is written it's for that man, and click on the tick, and you can see now the audio is fine. Remember to click on lip motion. Click on lip motion. You can see there lip motion. Remember to turn on lip motion. Remember to do what? To turn on lip motion. And under here where I'm just writing, you need to paste or to write what you want your avatar to say. And this is what I want my avatar to say. So I'm just going to paste it there. You can also write it manually if you want, or that is what you have. You can see. Now after that, you need to click on the tick icon on the upper side. After that, you need now to come back. You can see now everything is fine and it's okay. Avatar, the prompt, and the talking and lip motion and all that. You need to click on generate video. After clicking on generate video, you need to give this video some time to be created because you are using a free account. That is how more time the Digen app is going to use to create your talking avatar. You see, it can take 10 minutes. You can see this written 11 minutes, so it will take 11 minutes to create this talking avatar. And after that, I'm coming here and showing you the results. Okay, or you just watch the result on the intro of this video. Okay, now let's animate our second image because I know this thing is complicating a lot. Because on my first, I did some mistake a bit. But on this time, I'm not going to do that. I want to take you. Now, after the 11 minutes, you just need to log in back to Digen app. You log out completely and log in back. And then click on the image. Don't wait the avatar to play on the app. Click on download. Give it some second. And when you see a success icon there down, you know the avatar is downloaded. Okay? Now, let me show you how to animate our image again on the Gen AI because as I told you earlier, I missed something on my last video or on my last example. Okay, to do that, you need to click on aspect ratio. You crop. Click on 16:9 if you want a YouTube long form video, and click on crop. Give it some second to crop. This is what I am saying it because I have repeated it the second time. After that, you need to click on the image, choose the image you want to animate or the image you want to lip sync or whatever you may say. You can say lip syncing, you can say animating, and then download it and wait for it to load up to 100. After that, now you can see the image will appear on the screen. After some seconds, the image will appear on the screen. You can see now the next is the image. That is our image and the image you want to lip sync and also add gestures and all that. Okay, after that, you need to click on prompt. Under prompt, you need to click on you need to click on what you want your avatar to say or paste. I prefer pasting because when you try to just write it directly, it will give you gibberish. Okay, you understand? Okay, so after that you need to click on the tick icon on top there. After clicking on the tick icon on top there, you need to click on talk. You can see there is the icon that writes talk. Click on that icon that writes talk, and here is where you need to understand everything. If you want to use the audio on Digen AI, you need to understand everything here. Remember to turn on lip motion. That's one. The second one, you need to choose the audio you want to use. Okay, click on the Aurora. You can see Aurora, and then there is some arrows here, there. Click on that, and now you are going to be given a lot of audio to choose in between. If you want a male voice, you have a male avatar. If you have a female avatar, you choose a female voice. For us, we have a male avatar, so you're going to choose a male voice. After that, you need to choose on the male voice you want. You need to listen to a lot of them, the one that matches you according to expression, tone, volume, everything. Okay, if you have watched this video so far, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Okay, I'm going to give you 1 second to like this video. Please like this video, it means a lot to me. Okay, I hope you have already liked the video. Thank you. Okay, it means a lot to me, and YouTube will push this video to more people, or to more people who want to animate their avatar or lip sync their avatar. You can see now, after that, after choosing the audio you want to use, you now need to paste the words you want the avatar to say. That's our next step. Click on there and cancel whatever Digen app have written there, because that's not what you want your avatar to say. Cancel it using the cancel this X icon or button or whatever you can call it, and then click on paste. You paste what you want it to say, and this is what I want my avatar to say. After choosing what I want my avatar to say, I am going to click on generate the audio first before generating the video. That is the mistake. You can see the characters are 40 out of 1000. After clicking on the 10 where it was 10, you can see 10 credits have been minused from my original credits. After some seconds, you can see my audio have already been generated. Okay, click on the audio and listen to it, and if it is fine and they say what you have written there up, or what you want your avatar to say, that is fine. That is the process I did not take you through last time, or my last example. Okay, now after that, you need to click on the tick icon, and now you can click on generate video icon. As for now, you know what you missed up, you know what we did not do on our first video or our first example, and we have done it on our second image or video or avatar creation prompt. Okay, now because you have watched this video so far, do not forget to like, subscribe, and now if you want to come up with the whole video on, you need to use any editor app of your choice and join them. Bye bye, that's it for today. I love you all.